Binary addition. Here we are given two examples of binary numbers and we have to add them. So we must be familiar with the method of binary addition. Now, what are the rules for binary addition? Now, this addition process is very similar to decimal addition. So we must know what is sum, what is carry. So first we will start with something familiar, something which we know very well. We will try to add these two decimal numbers 17 plus 17. We start from the least significant digit. So 7 plus 7 will give me 14. This least significant digit 4 is written in the sum section and this 1 is taken as carry to the next column. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Now in the similar manner, we will perform the addition of the binary numbers. Now since binary number system has two bits, 0 and 1. So these are the following 5 cases. Now 0 plus 0, the sum bit is 0. So this is the sum portion and there is no carry to the next column. So sum is 0 and carry is also 0. If you add 0 plus 1 in this sequence, then sum is 1 and there is no carry to the next column. So sum is 1 and carry is 0. If you add 1 plus 0, then sum is 1 and there is no carry. So sum is 1 and carry is 0. Now if you add 1 plus 1, now see in decimal number system, if you add 1 plus 1, we get the answer 2. Now what is the binary code for 2? Yes, it is 1, 0. That means if you add these two ones in binary, you will get this answer 1, 0. But how to write it? This least significant 0 will be written in the sum portion. So here we will write 0 and this most significant bit 1 will be taken as carry to the next column. So here 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Now what about 1 plus 1 plus 1? We have 3 ones. If you are having two numbers like this, we get third one, which is generally as a taken as a carry from the previous column. Now we already know 1 plus 1 in binary is 1, 0. And we have to add 1 to it. So 1, 0. And if I add 1 to it in binary, we get 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1. Now in decimal, you know, if we add 1 3 times, what we will get? 3. Now this 1, 1 is actually, its decimal equivalent is 3. Now if you add 1 3 times in decimal number system, what answer you are going to get? 3. And its binary code is 1, 1. Now least significant bit 1 will become the sum and this bit most significant bit 1 will be taken as carry. So we will write 1, this particular 1 here in the sum section and this 1 will be taken as carry to the next column. So sum bit is 1 and carry is 1 whenever we have the values 1 plus 1 plus 1 in binary. So this is the binary addition rules which we must remember and then we can add any number. Now we will solve this example. 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 and 1 carry. Yes, how did we get this one? From this previous column. So 1 plus 1 is 0. Sorry, 1 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 1 and 1 carry. That means this last rule is getting applied in these cases. Now since there are no more bits below it, so 1 will be brought down. If you want to verify the result, you can convert the entire thing into decimal. So 111 is 7. So 7, since it is same number, so 7 plus 7 is 14. Convert this number into decimal. So I've used sum of weight method. Just add those weights where the corresponding bits are 1. So 8 plus 4 plus 2 is 14. You can leave out this because this weight is 0. So our answer is correct. Now let us take this example. It has got a binary point and there are some bits after the fraction. So it is 11.001 plus 10.11. Now here in this under this one there is no bit, so it is considered to be 0. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So you have seen one pattern. We start from the least significant bit when we start adding. Then put the binary point. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry to the next column. But there are no more bits below it, so we will bring this 1 down. We can just quickly verify whether our result is okay. So this value is actually 3.125 and 10.11 is equivalent to 2.75 in decimal. If you add these two numbers, you get 5.875. So let us see whether this number is 5.875. So whole number part is 5. 101 is in binary is equivalent to 5 in decimal. And now 0.11. This is the fraction portion. So we will convert it into binary. We will use negative weights of 2. 2 to the power of minus 1, 2 to the power of minus 2, 2 to the power of minus 3. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. Now if you convert this, it becomes 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.125. Now you can just add and see whether you get this answer 0.875. So 0.111 is equivalent to 0.875. So that means our answer is correct.